Adding tags to an organization profile. This is actually one of the most important fields because users of Altiorem will actually be searching tags, so we'll be searching these keywords, and what they land on needs to be relevant. So in other words, these keywords or these tags that you choose need to be relevant to the organization. We suggest using the free online word cloud generator. It's at wordclouds.com. You simply go to File and Paste Type Text, and then you go to the organization and you copy and paste important pages, I guess. So About Us would definitely be important. So just Control A. Or actually, no, that's probably not going to work. Maybe that one. Copy that one and into the word cloud. And it doesn't just have to be, it could be the home page. Nope, that one's not going to help us. Our work, there's usually quite some important words that will be in our work. So that one is a good one there. Lots of text that's relevant to the organization. So just copy and paste. Maybe the programs might have some interesting words. Quite possibly. I might just Control A that one. Actually, no, I won't do that again. Okay, let's just take it up. Okay, and paste that, and that should be enough now. Okay, so then hit Apply. And it generates a word cloud, but this is very tricky for us to see. So we just go to a word list and it will provide a list of words from according to weight. So there's 31 instances of packs, 23 for piece. You notice that piece is there twice. So it doesn't put together words when they've got a capital or no capital. So keep in mind that they may not even be together. You might have piece lowercase here and then piece uppercase here. So we take these words. You can put up to 25 tags, and you try and keep them as the most important ones. So when you're filling in your tags, be sure to only use lowercase unless it's an acronym or a name, or an abbreviation, I should say. If the organization has produced something, in your key initiatives or achievements, such as an SDG map, then you could put here SDGs, because if a user is looking for SDGs or information on the SDGs, then this would lead them to it. Also keep in mind that we are using Australian or UK English on the website, but some people might search in American English or US English. So if there's a word such as organisation, you should include both organisation with a Z and organisation with an S, because we don't know what people are going to search for. So just having a look. Also, you can put organisations and organisation if they were high up on the list. It's okay to put plurals of the words if it makes sense. And tags can be one word or they can be two, as long as someone would search for that. For instance, here we've got cluster munitions, because people may search for, it's actually less likely that they're going to search for cluster. They're probably going to search for cluster munitions. So it's good to have them both in there. We can have a look at some other examples. So here we've got global and global sustainability, because people might be searching for either. We have organisation, but we should have also organisation with a Z, just in case. But other than that, it is looking good. And we might actually have SDGs as well. Okay. Another example here. So you see that there's policy, policymakers. So there's slight variations to each of the words.